Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith. You're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of sorts on the AutoLine Pro Shop Series Plus smoke machine. This thing was given to me by AutoLine Pro about a year and a half ago, and I've been using this thing at home, and also it's been used professionally in a shop for the past year and a half. So we've got some experience with this thing, and with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. So right off the bat, I won't keep you waiting. Yes, I do recommend this. Yes, I am very impressed with this thing. Albeit there's some things that I had concerns about initially that aren't really concerns now, and we'll go over that a little bit as we look at this machine here. So let me tell you a little bit about AutoLine Pro. AutoLine Pro is a US-based company. They're based over there in California. They offer a really great warranty on their products. This one has an unlimited lifetime warranty, and they also have free shipping. So right off the bat, there's a lot good going on for this machine here. Now let's talk about price point. This thing is really reasonably priced for what you get. Currently it's $129.99. I do believe that this is a discounted price at this time. I'm not sure if it's going to go back up or what's going to happen, but as you know, prices can fluctuate based on many factors. So what's so special about this thing? Why do I like it so much? Well, number one, it's the ease of use with this thing. It's pretty well self-contained. Everything you need is right there with the smoke machine, albeit you do need to hook up to your 12-volt battery, which you'll have on the vehicle that you're working on anyway. But it's got a built-in air compressor, and it's self-regulated. It's self-regulated at 1 psi, so you don't have to worry about adjusting it or worry about overpressurizing anything or damaging anything. It's pretty well ready to go, ready to use, and is great for the novice, great for the DIY guy, and I even recommend it for professionals like myself. I would rather grab this thing, just plug it up, and within 2-3 minutes, I'm ready to smoke something. So it's very convenient, very self-contained, and ready to go at a moment's notice. That being said, let's see this thing in action. I've already got oil in the machine that's been filled up previously. I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up to the battery, and we're going to preheat it, get it ready to go. Now to preheat the oil, you do need to preheat it. You need to click heat only on the switch here, and give it about 3 minutes or so. Let it get good and hot inside there. And this does get hot, by the way, so we'll let that heat up for a moment. All right, we got it good and hot, so we'll go ahead and switch over to heat and aux, and that turns on the compressor. You can hear it humming right now, and you can see you got plenty of smoke. That's actually a lot of smoke coming out of there, and compared to the professional ones that I've used at shops that I've worked at before, this is pretty daggum good as far as the volume and the quality of the smoke coming out of that thing there. Now this is a pretty versatile machine. You can use it for many purposes, from finding vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, evap system leaks, and on and on. There's not just one use for this machine. You can see here where I was doing a smoke test on the intake manifold of my Ford Ranger earlier. I didn't actually find any leaks on the intake manifold, but I did find a leak on one of the vacuum supply hoses going to the AC, and it made pretty short work of finding the vacuum leak on my Ford Ranger there. I also did a smoke test on the exhaust system on my Ford Ranger, actually when I first got this machine, but you can see the whole side of my muffler is basically gone. But the purpose of that video was to show that just how easy it is to find an exhaust leak with a smoke machine. And realistically, the use of a smoke machine for finding exhaust leaks is for like the more mysterious type leaks and smaller leaks, but you get the picture there. Now, what are some concerns that I had about this thing when I first got it? Well, this to me, it looked like a possible source of a problem in the future. Overhandling this looked like it could possibly damage these wires up here at the pump there. But as you can see, it's proved to be a non-issue. It's still really intact. There's no weak points in there. I can yank on these. It's pretty strong. No issue there. But like I said earlier, they offer an unlimited lifetime warranty on these things. So if you do have an issue, they're willing to take care of it for you. Now I did notice right here, this hose going to the vacuum pump right here, it's dry rotted a bit, and that's to be expected with any rubber hose really, especially when you got oil and stuff going through it. They're going to dry rot, they're going to crack, and realistically this looks like a hose that you could get at any auto parts store and you can easily disconnect it there and disconnect it at the pump there and just replace it. Not really, it's really for me, that's a non-issue because it's so easy to repair. But as mentioned, they have an unlimited warranty. They could take care of that for you, no big deal. And yet another concern I had, which also proved to be a non-issue, is the feel of these alligator clips here. They feel kind of light and almost like maybe they would break on you, but obviously they have not. And this machine has been used pretty good in the last year and a half, and they are holding up really well. The wires aren't coming out, the plastic's not cracking, it's not coming apart. It's held up pretty well. Now let's talk about the build quality of the rest of the machine. Well, this is all metal right here. It feels like maybe aluminum. The top here, the cap, I also believe that that's probably aluminum as well. And it's pretty sturdy. You have this little lock here that locks the cap into place. You can turn it counterclockwise, then turn the top counterclockwise, and that way you can fill the machine. And you can see you got your wick in there, and then you got your little marble, which you're supposed to have the oil above the marble, and I'm running a little bit low right now. But you got your gasket right there on the top. And it's pretty easy, pretty simple to service this thing and add fluid to it and work with this thing. And overall, I do not believe that the body or the main part of the machine is going to break in any way. It feels like high quality stuff right here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot to show you here. It's basically a self-contained smoke machine, and I think it's great. Personally, I would use it at the shop. I also use it at home. Would I recommend this to the average DIY guy? Absolutely. And I would also recommend this for professional applications as well. This isn't going to do everything that your big smoke machine at the shop is going to do, but on the go and in a pinch and for convenience sake, this is nice to hang on the side of your toolbox and just grab whenever you need a quick smoke machine. It sets up really quick and you're ready to go. You don't have to drag the machine across the shop. You don't have to find the machine to begin with, and you're just ready to go. $129.99 at this time here. This is, for what you're getting, this is a great buy in my opinion. I really hope that this helped you guys. I'll have some links down in the description down there to the website where you can find this machine. If you're interested, be sure to click on one of those links there and check it out for yourself. I do recommend. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and have a nice day.